I wasn't made from picture. I was created with just text, and it was converted to video.
Creating AI video just got easier with this free AI videos. I was converted to video in seconds. In this video, you will learn the 4 free AI tools Coach Tresh made me and others from text to video.
I was also created with one of these videos, and they are all free.
Name is Amaka. I was made from text to video.
Now, the first AI tool we are going to be using is called Grok AI. If you don't have this app, install it from Play Store or from App Store. So we are going to be using different AI tools, about 4 different AI tools, and we are going to be comparing them. So the first one we'll use now is Grok AI. So once you get to Grok AI, just come over to this place where they wrote Create Videos. So click on Create Videos. Now, once you click on Create Videos, you will come over to this point. So you come over to this place, then you click on it. So that place where they wrote this place where they wrote Imagine, just click on it. You will see these 2 things, image. So you see image and video. So all you are just going to do is to click on video because we want to create video. So we already have our prompt. So we already copied our prompt from ChatGPT. So all we are just going to do is to paste our prompt here. So we have a different prompt. So let's just paste this one first. Now we'll just check the prompt out if there is anything we need to edit. Now once you click on it, you're just going to send it, then you are going to let it load.
Is Amaka. I was made from text to video. My name is Amaka. I was made from text to video.
Now you see,
I was made from text to video.
so once you are done, you are just going to download it from this place. So you are going to click on this place and you are going to download it. You see how beautiful it is. So in case maybe when you create it and it's not giving you what you want, because we noticed I created about 2 before, it was not really giving me what I want, so I had to continue editing it and sending it back. So let's just hear what this one is saying.
My mom, I was made from text to video. Date hospital. My name is Amaka. I was made from text to video. My name is Amaka. I was made from text to video. My name is Amaka. I was made from.
Now this is it. So we are just going to take this exact prompt to the next AI tool that we are going to be using. So you are just going to download it and save it to your phone. So the only problem that Grok has is that you cannot use the 16:9 aspect ratio, but there's a way I'm going to show you. Once we are done with the video, there's a way I'm going to show you to post it. Maybe you want to post it on YouTube. So let's go over to the next AI tool. Now the next AI tool we are going to be using is this app, this Queen Chat. So we are just going to install Queen Chat. So you are going to sign up to this app. Now once you are done signing up with your email, you are going to come over to video generation. So the same prompt that we used just now for the Grok video, I'm going to be pasting the prompt here. So let's see what it's going to give us. So we are just going to send it. So we're going to send it. So the good thing about this one is that you can get a 16:9 ratio. So you can get any ratio you want from this Queen AI to this Queen Chat. So you're just going to send the prompt, then allow it to load. So you're just going to let it load to 100%. Now you can see what Queen gave to us. So we're just going to play the video to see how it is. Now let's play the video and see what Queen gave to us.
My name is Amaka. I was made from text
to video.
So you can see now we are just going to come over to this place and we are going to download it. So just come over to this down part, then click on download. Now the next AI tool we are going to be using is called Video. So this is the name of the app here. It's called Video. So once you get to this app, you are just going to come over to this place, come over to this down part, click on it. So once you click on it, you are going to be using this one. This 2.5 preview is the one we are going to be using. You're just going to click on that one. You are going to click on that one, then you come to the resolution. Then you click on this one for a higher resolution. Then if you are using it for YouTube, you click on this 16:9 ratio.
My name is Amaka. I was made from text to video. My name is.
Now you can see the difference. So the only problem I have with this particular app, this video, is that number one thing is too slow, and number two thing, if you don't have credits, it's going to be very very slow. Like the video is going to be very very slow to generate. So that's one problem I have with this one. So we are going to go over to the other tool that we are going to be using to create this text to video. And the other AI tool we are going to be using is called Image FS. You're just going to click on search on Image FS, then go to this first one, this labs.google FS. So once you get here, you're going to click on this. You're going to click on this one that says flow. So click on it. Now it's going to take you to this page. I've already signed up. So if you have not signed up, you're going to sign up with your email address. Now you're going to come over here and click on new project. So you're going to let it load for a few seconds. Now you can see the interface here. Generate a video with text. So we are going to click on this place. So we're just going to change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Now once we are done, we are going to paste our prompt here. Then we are going to let it generate.
My name is Amaka. I was made from text to video.
Now this is it. So we're just going to compare all the AI tools, all the 4 AI tools.
My name is Amaka. I was made from text to video.
My name is Amaka. I was made from text to video.
My name is Amaka. I was made from text to video.
My name is Amaka. I was made from text to video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Outs! I will see you in my next one.